Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I will show you how to turn on power saving mode in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to battery, and here you can see power saving mode option, then just tap on power saving. Now by tapping here you can enable power saving mode in your Android phone. And that's it, you have successfully enabled power saving mode in your Android phone. Now if you disable power saving mode from here, you can limit your CPU speed to 70%. Also you can decrease brightness by 10%. If you are in any emergency situation and you don't have any charging option, then you can enable power saving mode from here. It will help you to get a longer battery life. And that is how you can enable power saving mode in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.